What them a go do ya now? New link and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New link.
Bless up on yourself, my viewers and subscribers. I don't know what they think, man. You don't know, so they attacking boss. They are New Link from New Link Production. And I mean, say attack. So right about now, viewers and subscribers on a real level. Zine, I know most of the time people who see me now, since recently, me I do vlog now, who see me in a lot of them. Not true. Before, who don't know the channel, go and watch the channel regular and thing. You know, say most of my vlog them before used to be weird. You see the attacking boss themselves in them, see? But now, you notice, you see me a lot of them people, because a lot of people may think, say, I show people as a New Link, oh, you're in the video, them everything wants this, wants that is it. But as I'm telling the people, a spirit I work with, you see me? If the spirit's a New Link, don't come in that vlogger. The spirit, me not go in that vlogger. Like, show my face and then something. If the spirit's a New Link, show your face. You see me? A spirit I work with people, naturally. I'm not mean an evil spirit. I mean just natural spirit. You see me? I say, mentality. You see? So, right about now, people, and why the spirit are going to lead the attacking boss to come forward. Because this thing what me I going to talk about now, people, me want to rebel out there. Me want to push out there. You see? Because this thing I know, what happened over in a Barbados, them say yesterday, you know, people. So yesterday, well, me even check my date good enough on the divisor. So yesterday would have been Monday, the 13th of December, 2021, based on information where the attacking boss I get people. Zine, and over in Barbados, people, a video was sent to me, my people. A video was sent to me, my viewers and subscribers. And when I watch the video, I cannot believe. Oh my world, oh my precious New Link. I cannot believe I saw people wicked and I saw people cruel. Zine, and I cannot believe I the hatred of people have that them heart. And I have to think and say it's just because this person, the deceased, is a yard man. Eh? Just because the deceased is a man we are rep for the yellow, the green, and the black. Oh my world, oh my precious New Link, I switched around and said the goal. Eh? No. Some people, video sent to me is on, I see a youth pan a ground pan him back. And I say 3 man over people. Which based on the fact me say more they did when them just started up. See? But people, them tangle the youth, them rackle the youth people, and one of the man have something in them and long so. Me I tell about a knife. Zane, and I just some see my put it on, and the youth, you know, people, and the youth are kicking foot, you know, on the ground, you know, youth are kicking, can't get up because one day this and them up people, the amount me seeing about 40, about 80. Me I tell about tabbing up people, no joke about it, you know, my viewers and subscribers, reality, you know, and someone basically catch it and get fit of things. So you see me, which me can't showcase the video on the channel, you know, I got people. But it's a Jamaica national and the person will link people, them call me. See me I say early this morning, today the 14th on the Tuesday of December 2021. And the person them call me and they say, New Link. More you talk about this New Link, look on this New Link, this is what them are doing. And people, honestly, on a real level now, which Barbados is a place where I'm a fans them same speed. I don't know the Caribbean thing with New Link in the Caribbean countries. Them I always big up the place, the globe. Zine, and over recent times, people, I've heard of stories happening over there involving Jamaican nationals where things do happen to them. Because based on information I get people is that the youth basically walk go buy some Rizla. Zine, over there them call it rapper or raper or what they want to call it. Rapper, you see me as a people. So the youth walk go buy some rapper people. Zine, him have a pull over based on information I get people. And like a man go say something to him where him not like. Something where would be disrespectful to a yard man. You see me? And him may say something back to him what him thinks is disrespectful to him. And that's how it start, people. The fight and the feud start. Zine? And in the end, this is what they did to him, my people. Zine? Based on info what me I get from people who is Bajan themselves. So them not turn a life on them people. Zine? And people may say the way how them deal with the youth. And my thing is, honestly, Me know say yes, man in a them place, our turf, our country, zine, and we not gonna make no boy come in our place, come style in our People, let me pause and give you a word from my sponsor. You know New Link and Island Wide Express go way back. Our sponsor today is Island Wide Express. If you are Jamaican living anywhere in the world, whether England, Canada, US, Cayman Island, you can shop from your phone or computer and buy anything on the internet and have it shipped directly to your doorstep in Jamaica. And if you have a box and you have packet already, just simply send it to the facility in Florida and it will go straight to your doorstep in Jamaica. They ship packages big and small. If you want to send something to your people for the holiday season, check out Island Wide Express. You can see them on IG, YouTube and Facebook. They have turn loads of delivery videos. Give them a follow, Island Wide Express. Just check below in the description for all the necessary links. Island Wide Express, and them we are work with. Place and so, but if you do make trouble, you understand? Oh, you want to come change up things in the end. If you are the one who start something, you are the one who start the feud. See, you are the one who make problem. You are the one who see the youth walking in his pullover and say something where the youth not read, something where the youth not like. And then you want to come start a problem. You see people then on the take out the youth 3 points. Because when them deal with the youth people and when the video finished, the youth the panny now move him now kick again. Before he was kicking foot high. He would kick. Zine, but them over him, them are wall him down people while wanna put it on. Zine, me are telling this. But now I go tell no yard say, yo, look you know. If it start and rebel out after Bajan, they are Jamaica, if you do this to them. No, we don't never support that. You see it? I'm just say, I say get them out of yard or this guy, them do that to we. No, because all of yard people over there, people. See? And lot of Jamaican over there, they do married to the agent same way. And you see me I say, have a life, I go on and live good. So not everybody is the same. See? And Bajan not happy about this. Like the Bajan not happy about the whole thing what I go on. See? And what I want to say, look here. We need to live good. We need to live better. See? And see for them same thing they over Barbados who do that to the youth. An attack for Uno, you know. Straight attack for Uno. See? Because Uno don't know this, sir. I'm going to tell them this straight up. Just like how Jamaicans go over Barbados, go other different countries for better. Zine, yeah, you know, say people left other countries come to Jamaica for better. Eh? Yeah, you know, say artists from up to the Caribbean come a yard because they want to get them breakthrough. Zine, not just saying musically, but on a different scale and level. A lot of people do come to Jamaica and now are left same way. Hide or run off and a show. We don't have an immigrational system like that who grow and a check for illegal people. You know what I mean? But this is the way and how no one deal with we. Honestly, I'm not referring and talking to all boy agents, you know. But me I say for you, the one them over there who carry hatred to them hard because a man is from yard. Eh? Listen, my man, listen, my man. You see, every country in the world where you go, there is good things there. Every country you can think of. There's something good there. See? And somebody want to go there, want to visit there to find that is good there. So in the end of self sometime when you feel like baby because a man comes about left yard and go this and go this and this. We don't have nothing back a yard. Enough you be a yard, you know. Never comes about and take a planet, you know. I mean not tax no you we are scam no you we are rob and do nothing illegal, you know. And living some of the lavishest life. See? Because them invest in small business and step up them thing. Enough of them invest in a farming. Enough youth. See? Yo, listen to me I say, man. See? And based on the info me are getting up people. More can I make sure dig deep and say you can on sure say and a yard man make problem. On sure say and a yard man make trouble. Then they must say attacking boss. The youth is a good youth. See? The youth is a man that burn him thing people him go for buy him rapper what them call it. We call it Rizla yard. See? Him in him pull over people. Something say about him. And the youth refer back. And this is how it turned out to be. Jaja sees, Jaja knows my people. Eh? Imagine families, they are here, they know people and get this information. They are waiting now. The youth, eh? Honestly, youths, what am I telling this? And this is what I always try to tell the youth them. See, when they get opportunity in a life, see, basically, you left your country for better cause. I say people, Bajan do left Barbados to go for better other countries too. Trinidadian, you understand, babe, and all over the Caribbean, people do left them country have to go for better, just like what your man left to go for better. See? And when I say when you do left your country and go another country for better, you have to earn a better living, to take care of yourself and your family them. Listen to me, I say, don't go waste time. Certain things you have to just drop. See? Certain things, nobody going to go try in a this and that with the man people, you see? Because in the end of people, I'm talking on the scale where, yeah, them say yard people, this and that. But sometimes, you know, on a level, you know, they have the same yard people, you know, my viewers and subscribers with same yard people, you know, who want to come say, boom, you know, and do some things to we same way, you know, my people. We same yard who have to stand up with we, you know. They are the one who turn enemies against us same way, see? So sometime now when the picture of the eyes is when people are them place now and them sister look at them, a yard man, you know, want to get rid of a yard man son and like a yard man say, you know, what you expect we to do then? Eh? A fool that. You get what I'm saying? Reality of the matter is. So Jamaicans need to be more unite. Jane, sad for no you lose them life in this way, in this manner. It's a really sad thing, my people. I don't feel good about it. None at all. Zine, looking at the video, Zine, I look at recording, send them the same speed, and it's a sad situation, my people. Really, really sad, and I do feel it to my heart. Zine, and I just want to send out my condolences to the family of the deceased. Zine, young man who gone like that, and for the perpetrators, them over there in Barbados, I hope they will be caught, and they will be dealt with the harshest way of their criminal system over there, especially when they come on to taking out somebody's 3 points through their life. Zine, I hope they will get that thing. Because it's not a good look, people, and I don't feel good myself about the whole situation. Could never. And if it was the other way where a yard man do that too, the same attack, the same flame, it not going to change, it not going to make the difference. See? Because at the end, people, we are all humans. We should love each other. We should take care of each other. We should be there for each other. We're not for your war and fight. I want to kill our brothers and sisters. No, not in my cabinet. No, it's attacking boss. Not in my book. See? So, my people, I just said there, I just really have to come talk about this thing, because when I see it, my viewers and subscribers, I could have stay humble. I could have just come and just say, yeah, bam. No, I read story. No. We'd have to come speak from the heart, which you know me always speak from the heart, people. Naturally, I said the attacking basket to work, and that's why the people love me, so. That's why the people rate me, that's why the people respect me, so. See? And for the one who hate me, yo, when I stay, I just stay in the lane, because on the scale like this, people, look at it. See? And if you have 5 million people who love me, and the percentage who hate me going to be like maybe 0 or -0%, because everybody do love the attacking boss. You see it? Still, I see it. Big up to the self, people. Stay safe and just go on to the right thing. Please remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. And big up to the people who follow me on Twitter, because I see my Twitter followers are grow. Big up to the self, people can know some content on us. Yes, Twitter at the same speed. You see me? You follow the thing, people, you get access to them something there. You see me? I say, you don't know, follow me Instagram to people, because that's the people them DM me and get some videos same way, same speed, which me not promise nobody in a video right now. You see me? I say, but make sure you follow the IG, because you never know. Maybe you link me and say, new link, and send me the video and you get it. Boom. But if you don't follow the IG, you know, get nothing. I have to follow the Facebook page to my people, because if you're a fan of the attacking boss and you support the attacking boss people, you need to do across the thing with the attacking boss. Enough for the one way people. And please remember, people, we also have a PayPal where you can make a contribution and support the attacking boss and the people. You know what I mean? You love the work, so we are the people. You love the work, so we are putting support, because your support give another support to somebody, and support the thing. Zane, Jamaican, live good. Bajan, we love you know. Zime, I say the whole Caribbean, the whole works. Zime, the whole world, we love it. Zane, let we live better, man. We don't have to fight against our brothers and our sisters. I remember me telling the people, this is not a year to where I bring a cross or a Bajan brothers and sisters. You know what I mean? But it's just a way I say, yo, and I highlight things, and I say, yo, it's not a good look. You see me, I say? Not a good look. Peace out, my people. Stay safe. One team, one dream, one.